Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's project is a screen door handle. I firmly believe that doing it yourself allows you to learn a new skill and also saves you money in the process. The first step is to remove the broken handle. The kit I picked up is from Walmart. It cost me 11 bucks. It is pretty much a direct replacement from the one that is on there. The kit comes with different size screws. Just match it with the ones that came off the door. Once the handle is removed, then all you have to do is measure and make sure that little spindle there is the correct size. If it's not, then all you do is snap it off. It is scored. First time I put it together, I didn't quite get the spindle short enough, so I had to take it back apart and recut it. After the handle is on, make sure that the outlet is correct. The next step is to ensure that the strike plate is operating correctly. As you can see, I had to adjust. Unfortunately, the new strike plates would not work, so I ended up having to fall back to the old one and doing a little bit of trim to be able to get it to work. Took a few minutes and a little bit to niggle, but I was able to get it. Like Larry the Cable Guy says, just get her done.